Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to change your WordPress email. First of all, open the WordPress dashboard of your website. Here's the dashboard. Now, click the option Users in the left menu bar. Here's the list of users. Let's change the email for this user. Click on Edit. Here's the email section. Remove the old one and add the new email you want. After adding it, scroll down and click Update Profile. Now, to change the administration email, go to the left sidebar and click Settings, then General. Here you'll see the administration email address box. Remove the old email and add the new one. Scroll down and click Save Changes. A verification link will be sent to your new email. This type of email will arrive. Just click the link inside to verify the change. After verification, your email will be updated. And that's it. Thanks for watching.